The wide variety of options allows customers to achieve higher quality printing, finishing processes and high value added printing. The 2000 sheet booklet finisher SR4130 realizes flat output using saddle-shaped technology. The 2500 sheet booklet finisher SR5080 supports custom paper-sized booklets. By introducing two types of finisher, value-added printing can be offered based on the customer requirement. There are various output options, such as a decurl unit and a folding unit. In the paper feed option, a bypass banner tray and/or A3 large capacity tray can be attached. From paper input to output, the configuration can be customized to suit your business. Various options support further automated printing workflow and realize value-added printing. The Ricoh C5200S series.